What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And in this video, this is gonna be an introduction video, and I'm going to start a new mentorship where I'm gonna teach you guys everything about forex market, stock market, and all of the other trading, like whatever we trade. So in this video, I'll just explain you a little bit about the TradingView website where we actually come every single day and have analysis on our charts. I mean, of our pairs. So first thing, guys, I assume that you guys are absolutely new, complete beginner. You guys just heard about trading and you guys want to make money out of it. I assume that because I was at the same spot like 5 years ago. I have 5 years of experience. Let me just tell you like what I know and what I can do, what I can teach you guys. I have 5, 6, almost like 6 year of experience. I am like I trade every single day. I mean, I'm an intraday trader. I don't get entries every single day. Yeah, I mean, but I'm a intraday trader, and I'm a consistently profitable trader as well. Like I trade and make money out of the market. I do swing trading as well. You guys have no idea. I know you are like complete beginner. So let's just not talk about it. So in this video, I'll explain you a little bit about TradingView, but the main thing is this is an introduction video where I'm just gonna tell you like I'm gonna make a full web series or like full mentorship. I'll explain you everything. The thing is, just comment in the comment section if you don't understand anything about any video. I'm gonna make videos on patterns, charts, how to use, how to analyze, how to buy market, like buy these pairs, how to invest money, how to do investment for long term, every single thing from basic. And this is going to be a raw video, no cuts, no edits. I don't like that. I don't do cuts, edits, and stuff like that. This is going to be a super raw video. Okay, let's just start with the TradingView. So TradingView is the basic website where we gonna go every single day for the analysis of our pairs. And let's explain you something about it. If you open a TradingView, you have to log in. Just log in, and this is the interface you guys gonna see. And I'll explain you a little bit about it so you guys don't get confused. So the first thing is it's gonna be so many pairs here. AUD, USD, CHF, NS100, like so many pairs, so many different pairs. What are these pairs? These pairs are, for example, if you open AUD USD, this means Australian dollar. Don't look here, guys. Don't look at here. Just focus where I'm showing you. AUD USD means Australian dollar versus US dollar. If we are buying AUD USD, that means Australian dollar is going up, and we are betting against USD. That means USD is gonna be bearish. So this is the basic simple explanation of these pairs, and these are different pairs, different market. This is AUD JPY, Australian dollar with the Japanese yen, and it's like so many pairs. You guys don't have to focus too much onto this stuff. This is very basic, very normal. You guys don't need to learn this. Just know these are some pairs that we're gonna analyze. We're gonna analyze every single pair, and if we find any entry analysis, or if we find any good entry and do some analysis, then we're just gonna mark it as green, blue, and red. Like green, I just do that. Like I just mark it as green. You guys can mark any color. Green means that I'm gonna hunt an entry, or I'm gonna get an entry real soon, so I just mark it as green. I don't even know which pair it is, USD CHF. I don't even care until I have to type it in my broker account. So I put the trade on. So you guys don't need to focus too much onto these pairs. This is just simply see it as a pairs that consist of like candles, and we're gonna do some analysis. If we find any entry, then we're gonna use that pair. Simple as that. Second, this is time frame. Time frame is, this is like monthly, weekly, daily time frame, 4 hour time frame. You can even have a custom time frame of 10 minute, any yearly to seconds. You can have any, you can watch any time frame. And what's the difference? Monthly time frame will show you the bigger picture on monthly basis, like what this stock or this pair has done over the month. Let's just say stock. I guess it's going to be easy for you guys in the beginning to understand. So monthly time frame, this stock has done in 2016 Tesla stock was here. That's what it's going to show. Let's just search Tesla. Tesla. Okay. On a monthly time frame, see, uh 2025 May, this is the May month, and price was around here. I'll teach you guys these candles. You guys don't know what these candles are, so don't get confused. So just understand right now that it's just different time frame, different candles. That's it. You can watch any time frame. Over the time, you will learn how to use these time frames and what are, like, how to use it basically. For now, this is just introduction. Third, these are the tools. You will learn it over the time. There's no point talking about it. Just like this, I used this rectangular web, but you guys won't understand why I use it and how to use it, so there's no point talking about it. So this was just a introduction video where I just told you, like, I'm starting a new mentorship. Comment in the comment section if you guys want to learn something specific or you don't understand what I'm going to teach you. Be with me, be with the, just watch this full video, like watch the upcoming full videos. You will understand everything. I'll explain you guys candles, how to read these candles, what is this price action, every single thing. And over the time, you will learn, you will master these markets. I will teach you guys my strategy as well, and I'll teach you how to make money out of this market, and I'll show you live proof of that. So just be with me, subscribe to this channel, and watch the next video. That's gonna be on candles. So we're gonna start this mentorship with the next video. That's gonna be the first lesson of this mentorship. See you guys in the next video.